This is a brand new 2014 Ford Super Duty. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 6.7-liter V8, and four-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, skid plates, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: adjustable driver pedals, air conditioning, cruise control, a CD player, rear curtain airbags, a pass-through rear seat, full power accessories, four-wheel disc brakes with ABS, a keyless entry system, and aluminum wheels. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Hoblit Ford is located at 46 5th Street in Colusa. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.